Camp NAWIC San Diego provides a unique week-long hands-on approach to construction career for high school girls at no cost to participants. Campers learn the basic elements of various construction trades that they can apply in many aspects of their lives. Seasoned mentors and role models like John Wartz help the campers learn these important skills. Today, the campers learned how to make tile.
All right, so we were making 4-inch by 4-inch coasters. We started off with a tile backer, which is called Hydroblock, and we bonded the tile onto the thin set. The girls got to pick randomly what patterns they wanted, and so that was the fun part for them too. Then we had vinyl Schluter, which is a trim piece for tile, and that was put on with like adhesive, construction adhesive. We let it set up for a little bit, then we grouted the tile, and then after that we completed it by putting on a pad on the bottom, and it's a peel and stick material, and it just gives it a cushion and stuff like that.
My experience is going pretty good. I really like how we get to do a lot of hands-on work. My favorite part so far has been the tiles because we get to learn how to use the tile, and there's something new that I learned that I can use later.